Hey you guys, I'll be honest with you, area sectors can be a little bit difficult, so I thought I would make a quick video for you, see if I can make it a little bit simpler. So we'll see how this goes. If we are going to try and find the area of a circle, which is a problem you guys have done before, here's a simple circle, radius is 6. The formula, in case you forgot it, would be pi times the radius squared. Well, if our radius is 6, we're going to need to square that. We get 36. Let's not forget to multiply 36 times pi. If you grab a calculator, you get an approximate value of 113.04, and then the units are centimeters squared because this is an area. Now, let's say we make this more difficult. What if we didn't want the entire circle? What if we only wanted a portion of the circle? This is called a sector, or kind of a piece of pie of the circle. Some people might think, oh, I got an idea. I don't want the whole circle. I want 1/4 of the circle. So we'll just do 1/4 of, which means multiply, 113.04, which is the answer we got for the whole circle. We want 1/4 of 113.04. Again, we get to grab a calculator. 1/4 times 113 is 28.26. Now, that's fine, but what if it becomes a bit more difficult? What if that piece of pie isn't something obvious? What if it's 110 degrees of the whole circle instead of 90 degrees, or 1/4 of the circle? How do we get 110 degrees of this circle? It's a little bit less intuitive, but instead of trying to do 1/4 of the circle, we need to change. The amount of the circle is, well, if we wanted the whole circle, that'd be 360 degrees. We only want 110 of the 360 degrees. Last time we wanted 90 out of 360, which was 1/4. 110 divided by 360, well, we can try and make this as simple as possible. We just take the fraction of the circle we want, like we did last time, times the area of the whole circle. This time, it's a bit more, 34.54. So every time, the formula simply should be, all right, how many degrees of the circle do we want? Put the degrees over 360, that tells me the fraction of the circle I'm looking for, and we just multiply it times the area of the entire circle. I don't know if this made area of a sector easier, but I think it can be confusing. Feel free to watch this a couple times, try it out with some of the practice problems, and good luck.